Today we are going over 5 RV mods that are my favorite. They definitely help out around here in the trailer, especially with kids. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button. We go on a lot of fun adventures and we'd love to have you along with us. Stick around towards the end. I actually have a 6th little bonus mod that I see other RVers doing. Mine's a little bit different though, so you'll definitely want to check that out. Without further ado, let's get started. Kicking it off here with numbers 1 and 2 in the shower latrine area. This awful wallpaper. If you have any suggestions for redoing the shower or maybe recovering it in a better way, something so that I can get rid of this, I am all ears. Let me know. Up here, we've got these 2 poles, which work out great for drying stuff. Let's take a look at them. A little bit of a closer up look here so that you can see this awful wallpaper, and you can see that they're just basic curtain rod holders here. This has a piece of PVC pipe in it for the moment just to get us by while I try and remember to grab another curtain rod. Much sturdier to grab the curtain rod than just a piece of PVC. Still though, kids come in late at night or you just need some extra space to hang something, you can put some wet towels in here instead of leaving them out all night, and you've just doubled the space to be able to dry stuff. All right, sticking around back here for number 2, we've got this bag right here, which has been awesome. It just hangs on some 3M hooks right here and here, and I don't even remember where we got the bag and the bar here from, but this is our laundry basket, and it works awesome because it's just a piece of cloth that goes back and doesn't get in the way. You can tell the kids to just toss their laundry in there and don't worry about it till laundry time. Now for number 3, it's going to be a bit different for every RV, travel trailer, etc. But we've all got these storage compartments that are dark. It's not technically a mod yet. Right now what I'm using is these little flashlights that have a hook on them. So it's really easy to clip them on somewhere and they don't get lost, especially as your RV travel trailer is bouncing down the road and it's not going to slip into some corner somewhere. The modification part comes where in the future I'm going to get these little 3 lights that screw into somewhere and they're battery powered, so that I can just take this wood right here, screw it right in, it's got a button on it, lift this up, push the button. The failback until that happens though is one of these little hook lights, which have a lot of light, especially, it's dark, it's late, something's happening, you need some light real quick. Bam, you are good to go with one of these lights. And you just hook it on for when you're wanting to use it, and then just leave it there for when you're done. Number 4 here was a game changer for us because we were just tripping over each other's shoes all the time. We tried to keep them up out of the way and just nothing was working. I wish I would have done this forever ago. Just a simple one of these little hooks that you can get like anywhere. Shoes hang right up. A lot of shoes have this little loop that's on the back of them, so you can just slide it right over the hook and make it super simple, or you can just toss it right over the top. Totally awesome. Wrapping up the inside, we move to the outside where we have this step here that you can see has lots of ice all over it and can definitely cause a slipping hazard, major problems. So to overcome that, I have these mats that you can get from the Dollar Tree and cut it to shape. It has a nice texture to it, and I just put a zip tie through it so that it stays down on the step and I don't have to worry about ice or heavy rains or anything causing any injuries. For the bonus number 6 right here next to that step, I have these RV locks. Now you can find a lot of videos out there about how those locks are not secure because manufacturers send them out with the same key for like all of them. And here I set my own combination so I don't have to worry about somebody else having the same key as the lock on my trailer, and definitely gives me a lot of peace of mind. Short and sweet on that one, but something to think about if you're looking to change out your RV locks. that wraps up the favorite RV or travel trailer modifications so far. There's definitely a lot more that we're going to be doing here as we customize our experience. If you have a favorite, please let us know in the comments so that we can all benefit from your experience and make our travels on the road that much better. Feel free to check out some other adventures that we have going on, and we will catch you guys on another adventure. See ya.